All right, new day. Justin, club member. This is my last video showed the strange break where the axle tube literally split in half. There you go. Good look at it right there. Look at that. That is freaking nasty. Wow, you don't see that every day. So this whole front axle is coming out. Sleeves are inbound, a truss. There'll be a nice repair. All we have left is the unit bearings and
that might be that hot knot.
yeah, pretty good. All right, so there we go. Unit bearings, we'll pull the axle shafts out, control arms, drive shafts already disconnected, and we'll drop this thing right out. Oh, shocks. Shocks will be the next one, Dwayne. Okay. What's the problem? This is not normal Jeepers.
Air gap.
Yeah, air gap. All right.
This is a hell of an axle disconnect they came up with.
Yeah, yeah. There we go. We brought in the big guns today. The Creeper Man is here.
There's another one of these this size. God.
So we had to film this because basically after we did the lower control arm, this is how she comes out right here. But this is just, so most people are probably like, yeah, you got money, you're just going to buy a new housing. But no, this is all going to get straightened, welded, and there's going to be Terraflex sleeves going in it. So the plan is to repair this, and you don't see this every day, man. This is just absolutely over the top, bizarre, crazy. What I don't like though is, I mean, you can see that the crack goes that way a good couple inches. Let me zoom into that. Man, that is unbelievable. So we'll take this top control arm off, and this side. No Jeeper wants to see this.
This is your worst nightmare.
That is amazing.
From an axle standpoint.
But she is out, so that can be lifted up. Now, you're going to keep it on this bench anyway, right? Because this is where you're going to work on it.
We'll these tools, we'll put it right down on the bench because I got to clean it.
All right. Okay. That's a half an axle.
Would that be like a Dana 22?
I guess. Right now it's a Dana 22. Nice. All right.
We'll pull the front diff out of it.
Okay. 19, I think.
Yeah, let's go have a beverage.
Yeah. Whoop. Cut. Talking about beverage.
It's so bent out of shape. I pried it back with a screwdriver.
There you go.
Spin the clutch.
The front axle is completely removed. There's one half of it right there. So what Mike did is he took the bearing caps off, the little retainer. He's going to pull this carrier out.
This piece was so bent out of shape, all I had to do was put a screwdriver behind it, like this. And you can see here how wavy it is.
Yeah, but that's
it's supposed
normal.
to be flat.
But that's normal. It's a cheesy...
But all I did was pull back, and I could move this.
Yeah, it's a cheesy piece of metal.
Then I noticed...
All right, so you got to unplug this. You got to
unplug. The lock
unplug.
is broken already.
What?
Oh yeah, broken? I didn't break that. That came out that way. I took the screw out.
Oh, no. You should be able to push this little button right there.
Yeah, I think it's already broken.
All right, let me get on that. All right. Mike's removing the stock track bar bracket because it's a piece of shit. It's very thin. He's going to put a new Artec track bar bracket on there. So he's just making some nice cuts with his cutting wheel. He'll take the hammer and knock this shit out of the way right here and get that thing right off of there. But look at that. That is a Dana 44 half axle. We're calling it the half axle.
Lock it up, make sure.
All right, so we have street pressure. We put some bypass switches in to activate the front and rear locker because he's coming up to the new trail that I built up on the property tomorrow. He's going to be the first guy to christen it. Wow, that's actually pretty damn good. Stay to that line right there. Looks good. Maybe a little passenger. Right there, yep. Stay to that line right there. Right there, Colin.
Yep, passenger. A little more. A little more. Pass. There you go. Right there.
That's actually pretty impressive.
Front's not locked.
Those 35s look big.
Now you're locked.
You made them work for a long time, right?
I did.
I don't know. I mean,
I mean, you know, just the
And
trouble
it's
is
not-
you
it's-
step up and trail, you know,
no, you're good.
difficulty
Yep.
happens. That's all.
Your belly's
Oh,
not
he's
touching at all.
doing really good.
A little bit, but barely. Keep going.
That's actually pretty impressive.
Come driver. Turn the front off. Shut the front off.
Nothing wrong with that at all.
There you go. Driver.
So the front and rear lockers are working quite
They're
nicely
moving.
Yeah.
on blue balls, which is good because tomorrow's the big test because he's coming up to the proving grounds. That's why he rigged these up so he could come up to my house and hit the proving grounds on the new trail. I like it. Nice job.
Nice, Kyle.
Very nice.
Back up, driver. Yep, back up. Keep going. All right, forward passenger. Like that? Yep.
Yeah.
Just like that. Keep going. Yep, a little bit driver now. Trying. There you go. Crawl it.
PR sliding off.
Crawl. Oh, back up passenger.
Yeah. Of course, if he was air
Wayne
down,
Rick, those MTRs suck.
he needs to air
Back,
down.
keep going back.
You got 26 psi in him.
Forward driver. I'm gonna get high centered over here. Yep. You're
No,
good.
you're
Forward
all right.
driver.
Flame
There you
Rick.
go.
Oh, these guys.
You're
Hold it there.
not
Front gonna shift over as you drive.
There you go. Look at that MTR climbing that
There
rock.
you go. Come on, come on.
There you go.
Oh, nice.
Driver,
Yep, listen to Dwayne. Back driver.
driver,
I'm trying.
stay hard. Keep
Really
coming,
Drop in the hole. You're okay.
keep coming. Stop there and go passenger, back up.
Oh yeah, I forgot. The growler wouldn't care about that rock.
No.
She'd be like, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, no,
Growler would
yeah.
knock it right over.
Yep, keep going back just like that. Keep backing up.
There he goes. Right there. Right there.
All right, now driver forward.
Yeah.
Forward driver.
Yeah. Right.
Driving
Right
forward,
there. Yeah.
Right there.
Be nice if he can climb up on that rock.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, no air down, no sway bars
Yeah.
disconnected.
Yeah. Yeah. Tomorrow we got to disconnect those sway bars, Mike.
Oh,
Try and
back-
come straight. See if you can come straight.
Your front's hung up a little bit.
Try and come
Right.
this way, straight.
Hey, welcome to the real world.
Back up a little
Now
bit.
he's out of it. Now he's not sitting behind the growler. He's like, huh?
Oh, try and come straight. See if that'll.
Right like that, straight. Nope.
Come
back
on,
up.
baby. Come on.
Yeah, she won't pull by.
There you go, back up. Okay. Colin, passenger. Just a little. There you go. Right there. Hold it, passenger. Hold the wheel. Come forward. Now go, start going driver. There you go, right there.
Come on, baby. Climb it. Climb it. Climb it.
Keep going. Keep going.
Come on.
Yeah,
Come on.
there you go.
Come on, baby.
Wow.
Climb it, climb
That's
it.
impressive.
Crawl
Nice.
That's
Nice.
impressive. Wow.
There
Nice
you
job.
go. All right.
I take it back what I said about the MTR.
That's right. Now he loves the
Bring the wheel.
MTRs. Nice job,
Good
Colin.
job, Kyle.
Wow, I would have rolled that thing over 3 times.
Yeah, good job.
You did
Well,
good job.
I think this Jeep is ready for tomorrow's
All
challenge.
right.
Yes.
Lockers are working.
Nice job. Nice job.
Good job.
You guys are right. That is hard.
Yeah. Hey, welcome.
went for a lot.
Welcome to the world of JKs.